Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Ali and let's talk about finance. One thing to understand when it comes to being a financial planner, there's a lot of different types of financial planners out there. There are some that focus primarily on investments and retirement planning. Some of them focus on estate planning as well. But when it comes to financial planners, that isn't necessarily all that they do. There are some other financial planners as well that only do financial plans. So what is a financial plan? A financial plan is really just a roadmap for you to figure out where it is that you're going in life financially, as well as focusing on hitting all of the targets along the way to make sure that you actually reach the goal at the very end. For some people, that goal might be to build out their retirement. Some people want to build out their estate and they want to leave a legacy behind and they want to understand how to do that. What is the most tax efficient way? What are some tools that you can use to actually do that? For some people, they do also just want to build out a nest egg, right? They want to be able to have that money so then if they want to go on vacations or they want to purchase a property or they just want to build out investments so then they have it for themselves, and then when they're no longer around, they could pass it on to the next generation or to charity or to whoever it is that they want. Financial planning can get quite complicated because when it comes to things like retirement, we do have to talk about the different sources of income as well as taxation of those sources of income, especially if you're looking to travel or if you're looking to live elsewhere other than in Canada. You do have to start taking a look at international tax treaties. You also have to take a look and see what kind of benefits do you get as a Canadian living outside, because being a non-resident, you start to lose out some of the benefits. You do also get to keep some, so things do get quite complicated there. So it really is trying to figure out the full big picture and putting the pieces of the puzzle together for you, so then it's a lot easier, so then you don't have to stress about all of those different factors. So in order to call yourself a financial planner, you do have to hold a designation for financial planning. Now there's quite a few out there, but the three most common ones that you'll find is the CFP, which is what I have, which is the Certified Financial Planner designation. There is the QAFP. This one is relatively new. However, it is a Qualified Associate Financial Planner. These people that hold the QAFP designation, these people deal with some simpler situations. So if you're looking for retirement planning or you're looking for some basic estate planning, they might be able to help you out. A lot of times they don't deal with the more complex things like CFP professionals. However, they are still financial planners. The other one that's also quite common is the PFP, which is a personal financial planner. At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what kind of certification you have, as long as you have one of the certifications that the regulators allow you to have to call yourself a financial planner. I do want to emphasize, a financial planner is very different than a financial advisor. A financial advisor, a lot of times, will give you specific advice in a particular moment. They're not there to help you plan out your future. At the end of the day, with financial advisors, there are so many different types of them and it gets very confusing. With some financial advisors, you'll find the ones at the bank. A lot of times they deal with lending. So if you're looking for a loan, if you're looking for a credit card, if you're looking for a mortgage, they will also deal with some very basic investments. Usually what you'll find is anybody who has $100,000 or less will end up working with a financial advisor and they will provide you the necessary products for your investments. There are also some financial advisors that are strictly insurance-based. You might hear them call themselves financial security advisors. At the end of the day, these people can provide advice. They do sometimes deal with investments as well. You do just have to be aware that these people are different than the financial advisors that are at the bank. Also, one thing to keep in mind is with these financial advisors, very similar to financial planners, there's different licenses to hold. So if somebody has their LLQP or their life license, this is someone who can provide you insurance. So whether that's life insurance, critical illness insurance, disability insurance, health and dental insurance. They can also provide you some investments in the form of an annuity or segregated funds, but they usually don't deal with mutual funds or other types of investments because they're not allowed to deal with those specific investment products. Now with the financial advisors at the bank, when it comes to investments, they are providing you different products. They don't do segregated funds, they don't do annuities because those ones are for the life licensed financial advisors, which at the bank they're not. Financial advisors at the bank, they are licensed in a very different way. So what you'll find is they will offer you things like mutual funds. They will offer you things like GICs. So what you'll find is those are very big differences between the financial advisors that are at the bank versus financial advisors outside. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like. Also, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. At the end of the day, if you gain something from this video, I'm sure they will too. And also, if you have a particular topic that you want me to cover in a future video, leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to make a video on that topic in the future. As always, guys, stay safe, take care, and we'll see you guys in the next one.